So another cool feature with this field sharpener is that you can sharpen your fish hooks. All style of fish hooks you can do, from your circle hooks for you saltwater fishermen to guys who want to put a big chunk on and catch big cats, or if you're going to be fishing for some bass. It's super simple. All you do is you click to the red portion that looks like a little J hook, and then in it there's some grooves, a couple different grooves. What you're going to do is you're actually going to follow those grooves. So you're going to grab your hook, you're going to set it in one of those grooves, and you're going to kind of hold it at a little bit of an angle, and you're just going to drag it across that sharpener. And you can flip it and do it the other way 4 or 5 times until you can, it's actually real sharp now comparative to what it was. Just follow that groove. And so that's how you do your big hooks. If you're going to do your circle hooks, you're going to kind of hold your hook at an angle, because as you notice, kind of got that little hook in there. What's going to happen with this hook, a lot of you know, when your fish gets on there, it's actually going to hold it in there versus sliding off. So you actually kind of hold it at a tilted angle so that your tip gets in there. And in the same way, you're going to drag that tip up and down that ceramic. You're going to continue to do that until it's sharp. Same way, you're going to find that hook and you're going to pull opposite of the way that the hook is going. So if it goes into a triangle, you're going to pull away from that triangle. You just set it in that groove, pull up. Continue that with all your hooks. You'll have razor sharp hooks with a simple tool.